hopefully this right here isn't the end of Jeffery Herlings' season. But that crash, and yes, it's 140 VP, it's the only thing I can find, whatever. That crash right there looks to be not very good. Yes, he did get up and finish the race, rolling around basically until the end. He did lose points to Prado. That was the first race, so he didn't actually line up for the second race. And as he's rolling around, he's, slowly pointing towards his shoulder. So hopefully he didn't break his collarbone or dislocate his shoulder or something like that, because as fast as Jeffery Herlings is, he's definitely injury prone. And it just sucks because this year he looked so good, so fast, such like a dominant season or series, whatever you want to call it. And if something stupid like that, little cross rut that flips you over, like takes him out for 3 or 4 rounds. I mean, right now I think he's like second place, almost 50% or 50 points down from Prado. But I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me. Are you a Herlings fan? Are you a Prado fan? Do you watch mxgp? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.